So I am going to make arroz con pollo for beginners. This is a traditional Puerto Rican Sunday dish. And this is for my nieces, nephews, and my children. Is to make the chicken broth for the rice. Normally I use chicken broth that comes in a pre-made, but I don't have it. So I've heated 3 cups of water and I'm adding 2 full tablespoons of chicken bouillon. That will form the basis for boiling the chicken and making a better chicken broth. So I put the chicken in a pan. I add the chicken broth. And I'm going to add cilantro, onions, and garlic to taste. I usually add several twigs of fresh cilantro, a couple of cloves of garlic, and a full onion, and let it boil. So that's the first step. Oh, I also add oregano, cumin, and bay leaves. And let that boil to make the chicken broth that will be the base for the rice. That's it. So I've added a full onion cut into 4 pieces, so it's easy to get rid of it. Half a teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Cumin has a very strong taste. 1 bay leaf, and salt and pepper to taste. The broth is boiling, and you see that the onions are clear. Then I can filter the broth into a measuring cup, and I will take all the chicken is already cooked. We'll use the same pan for making the rice. So I've made more broth than I need, but I needed enough to cover the chicken and make sure it's cooked. Only the chicken will go into the pan next. And so the next step is to add the sofrito and the oil and sazón. A little bit of oil so the rice doesn't stick. So I'm gonna cook the sofrito and the recaito, which you can buy at Walmart, at any store that carries the standard food. Generous amount. Then about half a can of tomato sauce. 3/4, then 2 full envelopes of sazón. So this is the magic. It gives it color and it gives it more flavor. I always use 2 of these, and I buy the one that has achiote. Achiote means it's what gives it the red color to the rice. You don't want a pale arroz con pollo. It wouldn't look right. See? I have about a little bit over a cup of rice, probably not that much. I have the broth. I would do about 1.5. So if it's a cup, I will use 1.5 cups. And I go ahead and add a little bit more salt and pepper. Remember the broth is already salted. I already measured the rice. I need a little bit more oregano, a little bit more cumin, and the chicken, and that's pretty much it. So probably a little too much cumin. And I can add the chicken in a minute. Skinless chicken, and for 1 cup of rice for 3 people, I probably only use about 1.5 pounds of chicken, not even. So if it's 3 people, I'll add 6 pieces of boneless chicken, and that should be about what I have here. And then you let it boil till it dries, and then once it's dry, you lower the heat and you let it cook. Cooking. While the rice is cooking, I go ahead and make the beans. Same process, a little bit of oil and sofrito. Then recaito. And this stuff keeps, so you keep it in the refrigerator. Is something you should have all the time in your refrigerator. A little bit of sazón. A little bit of tomato sauce. So well. Beans. Stock. About half of the can in water, a little bit of water, salt and pepper, and a little bit of oregano. I'm gonna skip the cumin. And that is a little bit of fresh cilantro, oregano. That's it. So now I'm gonna make tostones, and as you can see, these plátanos are ripening. There's one on the left which is more green than the others. And depending on how ripe they are will define how sweet they are. I like them on the sweet side but not mushy. If they're overripe, then they're called amarillos. To make them tostones, they have to be kind of on the greener side. So let's peel them and show you how. So I usually take not a very sharp knife and just peel the ends. Make one cut and then gently pull the skin out. My oil is already heating, and so I should hurry to do this or turn the oil down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the oil down because it's taking me a little longer to peel the plátanos because these were in the refrigerator. And so they're not as fresh and they're harder to peel. You'll see in a minute that the amarillos peel a lot easier. See how they are peeling? You can also use a butter knife. It's probably easier to use a butter knife. But let's go ahead and peel a yellow one. And I'll finish this other one off camera. The yellow one will peel a lot easier. It is not ripe yet, but look, it peels kind of like a banana, but the texture is very different. You cut them into about 1-inch thick slices, and you fry them in hot oil. I have a skillet full of oil at this moment. It's ready to go. These are the bananas. Or the plátanos getting fried, and you let them go until they're golden in one side and then turn them over. If you can look at the plantain on the left, it was one of the last ones that went in, this one, so it's not all the way in. You can tell the difference when it's cooked versus not cooked. So I'm going to turn the plátanos. You can see some of them are getting golden. You have to be fairly quick because they all turn about the same time. Make sure that you don't overcook them. And you have to have a plate ready to go to put them in because they're gonna come out and they're gonna get smashed and refried. That's the trick. You see how they're golden? Okay, I usually have a plate ready to go so I can take them all out. At the same time, I use a big slotted spoon. Sometimes I use a fork, but for ease, it's better to use a big slotted spoon. I turn off the oil for a minute, but I'm not gonna let them cool. I'm actually gonna smash them individually. I've stopped smashing them because my frying pan is full and I need to watch these and take them out when they're ready. Turn them over and now they're nice and golden. They're ready to be taken out and ready to plate. This is the second batch. They're almost ready. The rice is almost ready and the beans are ready. More minutes and we'll be ready to. Last step, add a little bit of Goya Adobo to the tostones. Take rice, chicken, you can see the smoke coming out, and serve it with beans. Some people like them on top. I like it on the side. There you go. Arroz con pollo, habichuela y tostones Puerto Rican. Enjoy.